Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this Arcot style chicken biryani. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. We would require chicken. I've cut the chicken into medium size pieces. I'll be using a small short grain rice which is locally grown here. It's called as Jeergasamba. If you cannot find jeera rice, you can use bullet rice or raichur rice. Here I'll be using sliced onion, sliced tomato, finely chopped, coriander, mint, lime juice, green chilies. I've ground the garlic and ginger paste separately. We'll be using cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, yogurt, chili powder, turmeric powder. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Or you can click the I card above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed written recipe. Here I've heated a pot, heavy bottom pot. To the pot I've added oil and ghee. I placed it on medium flame. I've added the whole spices, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and bay leaf. I've allowed it to sputter. And here I've added the sliced onions. We need to fry the onions till the onion turns transparent. Once the onions have turned transparent, at this point I'll be adding the garlic paste. We'll fry the garlic paste along with the onions. Now once the garlic paste has fried well, at this point you need to add your ginger paste. There is a process in every biryani when you prepare it. So many people assume that it's the same recipe. It's not the same recipe. There is a difference. I'll be posting few other variations from the same region. Here I've fried the garlic paste and the ginger paste well. You can see the onions have started to turn light golden brown in color. At this point, I'll be adding the tomato. I've cut the tomato into coins. We'll fry the tomato. I've added yogurt. Now the tomato should cook in this masala and it should soften. It will take its own time. Don't place it on high flame. Place it on medium flame and cook it. Here you can see the tomato has cooked down and the masala has formed. At that point I've added the green chilies. I've added the whole green chilies, not slit green chilies. Now I'll fry the green chilies. I've added mint and coriander leaves. We'll fry the mint and coriander. You can see the oil has separated at this point. I've added lemon juice and I fried it for a minute. Now I've added chili powder and turmeric powder and fried it for another minute. At this point, the gravy is done. So in this gravy, we'll be adding the chicken. Now we'll fry the chicken in this gravy. I've added salt as per taste. Now we'll fry the chicken. And at this point I'll be adding warm water. Never use cold water, add warm water. So I've measured the water according to the rice and I've added it. We'll cook the chicken till it's tender. While the chicken is cooking, I washed my rice twice and I allowed it to soak for 30 minutes. The chicken is cooking on a very low flame. Once the chicken has cooked, the rice would have soaked. Now at this point my chicken has cooked. Most of that moisture is completely evaporated. I've added few drops of orange food color. This is optional, you can add it or leave it. Now the chicken gravy is done. I've drained the rice and I've added the rice to the chicken curry. We'll mix it. Now at this point, I'm going to add approximately 2 glasses of water. Exactly 1 inch of water should be there for the rice to cook. Now I'll place it on high flame and allow the rice to cook in this broth. You can see the rice has cooked and most of that moisture is absorbed. Just stir it once. Don't keep stirring your rice often. Now I'll cover it and place it on very low flame and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the rice has absorbed most of that moisture and it's cooked well. My Arcot style biryani is done. I'm going to stir it and serve it as hot as possible. The chicken is very tender and the rice is cooked very well. All the ingredients for this recipe, friends, is listed in the description box below this video. You can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All my social media handle links and my Tamil channel link is also in the description box below this video. This Arcot style chicken biryani is very close to my heart because we are from that region and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.